it's so hot.
Thunder is coming!
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's going on with it?
That's the top of the satellite dish.
What's going on with it? This is always like that.
So a little bit of a great time.
Oh yeah, it was good.
Oh fuck.
Yeah,
That's like the quietest thunder ever.
It's quite far away, that's all.
Yeah.
And high up. You gotta remember. Gotta remember.
You never see a proper fucking bolt.
Oh shit, he's broken it again. Oh shit!
That was good.
Fuck!
So literally we are surrounded by what's going on over here and it's going
Boy! Way up, boy! Wait, no, it's coming towards us. You can tell because of the wind.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
You got it!
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Fuck, that went off like literally at the same time that this one went off.
I'm scared and kind of fascinated at the same time. It's pretty sick, to be fair.
It is.
Imagine getting a picture right as thunder strikes,
Yeah.
lightning strikes,
So I just stand here.
and just wait.
Yeah.
All right. Let me get this focus going. All right. Okay.
What should I do? Jump over gang sign.
Yeah. Show my 9. Show my 9. Your face.
I need a shit.
Shit break. Now's not the time. It will.
It's been a while now, isn't it?
Ah!
Yeah, I know the same.
Oh, my phone! I can't let it get wet.
Man, this is better. No. Alright. Straight up.
I'm gonna be honest.
Like to see your feet.
What would you do if it literally strikes like so close and the lightning is so fucking loud? Can we all jump on our bikes and let me film you cycle off? Because I think that looks sick.
Yeah.
Good. That's going in the old music video.
It's that hole.
Surrounded by bikes with phones on. Like a car. Got my shoes on. This is proper setup.
Yeah, man.
Are we waiting for lightning?
I'd play this.
Fish.
This guy. Some stabilisation is going to be heavily needed.